So guys, let's talk about time complexity of common Python operation. तो ये this is lecture 3 on DSA Python course 2026. So मेरे last lecture में आपने time complexity and space complexity को समझा होगा. मैंने आपको समझाया था. Let us try doing time complexity of common Python operations. So कॉमन पाइथन ऑपरेशंस हमारे जनरली जो हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं वो किस तरीके के होते हैं. तो कॉपी होते हैं, अपेंड होते हैं, पॉप इंटरमीडिएट. पॉप लास्ट मतलब लास्ट एलिमेंट निकाल के दे देगा. इंसर्ट, गेट, सेट, डिलीट आइटम, राइट. इटरेशन, हम लोग इटरेट करते हैं. स्लाइसिंग करते हैं, राइट. सो ऑल दीज ऑपरेशंस आर min, max, sort. Okay, so all these operations are general Python operations. और क्यों हमें इसकी टाइम और स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी को पढ़ना है? बिकॉज जब हम लूप चलाएंगे और उसमें इस तरीके के ऑपरेशंस यूज़ करेंगे तो आपको टाइम और स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इन सारे ऑपरेशंस की आपको काउंट करना रहता है, राइट. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. सो व्हाट आई विल यूज़ इज़ आई विल बी यूजिंग n is equal to number of elements in the list. Okay, so number of elements in the list. एक हम लिस्ट ले रहे हैं, राइट. और मैं क्या करता हूँ, k इक्वल्स, अगर कुछ मैं स्लाइसिंग करूँ, कुछ स्लाइस करूँ तो k एलिमेंट मेरे ये लिस्ट में रहेंगे. और अगर मैं कुछ एक्सटेंड करता हूँ तो इसमें भी मैं k एलिमेंट्स लेकर चलता हूँ. ओके, सो ये जनरल नोटेशंस है जो हम यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट हम देखते हैं व्हाट इज़ कॉपी. तो जो हम ऑपरेशन यूज़ करते हैं, कोई सी भी लिस्ट A और लिस्ट B को अगर हमें कॉपी करना है, सो मान लो मेरा न्यू लिस्ट रहेगा, न्यू अंडरस्कोर लिस्ट रहेगा. ओके, इसको मुझे कॉपी करना है किसी ओल्ड लिस्ट का. तो न्यू लिस्ट अगर मुझे बनाना है तो व्हाट आई विल डू इज़ आई विल डू ओल्ड लिस्ट डॉट कॉपी. ओके, ओल्ड लिस्ट डॉट कॉपी. तो इसमें ये क्या करेगा, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल ये मेरा लिस्ट है 1 2 5 8. अब ये लिस्ट है मेरा, तो इसको भी कॉपी करेगा, इसको भी कॉपी करेगा, इसको भी कॉपी करेगा, इसको भी कॉपी करेगा, राइट. तो ये चार लिस्ट में 4 एलिमेंट्स है, तो ये 4 बार कॉपी कर रहा है. तो अगर मेरा लिस्ट में n एलिमेंट रहेगा तो n बार कॉपी करेगा. तो ऑपरेशन कितने बार हुआ, n बार ऑपरेशन रन हुआ. इसकी टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या हो जाएगी, ऑर्डर ऑफ n. कॉपी की टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी हो जाएगी, कॉपी कमांड की टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी हो जाएगी, इट विल बी ऑर्डर ऑफ n, राइट. स्पेस कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्या होगी, क्यों होगी ऑर्डर ऑफ n? क्योंकि इसको कितने स्पेस लगेंगे, 1 2 3 4. सो देयर विल बी 4 स्पेसेस अगर लिस्ट में 4 एलिमेंट्स है. और अगर लिस्ट में n एलिमेंट्स है, इट मीन्स दैट इट विल टेक n स्पेस, राइट, n space. So the space complexity will also be order of n, right. Second is append. Okay, so let us understand what append is. So what operation I will do, operation will be, let's say list dot append x. मान के चलो I want to append, there is some list. Okay, ये मेरा, this is my list equals a b c m. Okay, what I want to do is I want to add one letter x in the end of this list. So what I have to do is list dot append x, right. So its time complexity will be, because ये list कितनी बड़ी है ये मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, right. The length of the list doesn't matter because I just have to append one x in the end, right. So if it has got 10 element, 1000 elements or 1 lakh elements, it doesn't matter. I have to put this x in the end. So it means that its time complexity is constant, right. It will take constant time because I have to put only one element, I have to append only one element. So the time complexity will be order of 1. So this is the constant. Okay, what will be the space complexity, it will also be order of 1. Okay, so if I am adding one element, it means that it will take extra one space only, right, extra one space. So its space complexity will also be order of 1. The next is pop last. Okay, So its space complexity and time complexity will also be order of 1. What about pop intermediate? Let's discuss pop intermediate. So the next is pop intermediate. So what I'll do is I let's say I want to pop this out. Okay, I want to pop this out. So what happens here is, so this is 1, then there will be gap, right? Then 8, then 9. So what the list will do is, it will shift these elements on the left side. So it will become 1, 8 and 9. So how many times it is shifting? It is shifting 2 times. Okay, so if there are n elements, then if you pop some element out between, then it will be n by 2. So these n by 2 elements will shift this side. So what is the worst case? Worst case will be when you shift this element out of this list. So all the elements will get shifted on the left side. So the total time complexity will be n minus 1, order of n minus 1. Okay, so which is approximately equal to order of n. Okay, next is insert. Okay, so it has also got order of n. So what do we do in insert? In insert, let's say I have a list 1, 3, 8, 10, 9, 6, 5. So if I want to insert something in between, let's say x, then what it will do? It will shift these elements and create a space here, right? So what is the worst case? So worst case will be, if you insert the x here, then it will be n times, right? The shifting will be n times. So the time complexity will be order of n, and space complexity will also be order of n, right? ये हो गया. Now the next is set item. Okay, so what do you mean by set item? Set items means, let's say I want to replace an item from a list. So I have this 1, 3, 9, 10, 12. I want to replace this 3 with 5. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll just do list of index. I'll put the index. So index here is 1. So list of 1 is equal to 5. So what it will do? It will replace this 3 with 5. Okay. So what is the time complexity? Time complexity will be order of 1, because it doesn't affect, if you have crores of elements in the list, then also this will not affect, because you are just replacing only one element in this list. Similarly, space complexity will also be order of 1, right? What happens if you delete the item? Next is delete, right? You can check. Next is delete item. Okay, so when you delete item, then you are shifting the other element in the list. Okay, let's say you want to delete it, then these elements will shift. Okay, so it has also the time complexity of order of n. Space complexity will be order of 1, because you are removing only one element. So this is similar to, now when you do iteration in the list, we have some list. So what I'll do, I'll iterate. So for I in list, so so what will be the time complexity? Time complexity will be order of n. Why? Because during iteration, this I will iterate in the whole list one by one, right? If you have this list, then I will go from here, then here, then here, right? So it will iterate in the whole list. Okay, so there are n number of operation. Now the next is get slice. Okay, so in get slice, let's say you want to do the operation list of A to B. Okay, so it means that it will slice the original list from index A to B. So the time complexity will be order of k. Okay, so whatever is the number of elements between this A to B, it will be order of k. And space complexity will also be order of k, because it will take that much space somewhere else, right? Similarly, in delete slice, what is the command? Del space list A is to B, right? So in this, the time complexity will be order of n. Okay, that is the worst case. Okay, and space complexity will be order of 1. Okay, so elements after the slice will shift. So these are the major operations mostly which you have to use it. Okay, and the next important will be sorting. Okay, so in sorting it will be order of n log n, that we will see in the upcoming lectures. Okay, this is how the time and complexity of common Python operation we can find out. Okay, so stay tuned guys, and thank you very much.